Okay, so my first pantry challenge was set by my daughter because we realised that we have no bread left. But we have ingredients that we can make super fast bread for lunch, which is good because it's 12 o'clock now. And yes, we've been thinking about food all day, but now we're actually thinking about, a meal, not just grazing. So we need some wholemeal flour, wholemeal self-raising flour. You can use white, but honestly, wholemeal's better if you've got it. And plain Greek yogurt. Super duper easy. And my kids are there hiding from the camera, but they're going to be my little mixers and measures. Oh, there we go. Hey! All right, and there's another one. We even half got dressed. I will, full disclosure here, the top half of me is wearing clothing. The bottom half of me is still wearing dodgy tracksuit pants, pajama things. So we're doing the whole we're in the house pajama, we're half dressed thing. But for the sake of not frightening anybody who's watching, we've sort of at least look like we're dressed. So who's going to measure out the flour? All right. So we get out a measure. What you need is you need the yogurt, you need your flour, and you need a measuring cup. I'm just using a half cup measure because we're going to do 1.5 cups of each. So if you can measure out into this bowl 1.5 cups of the flour, it might be easier to pour it in or not. Just the paper will rip. Yeah, let me help you. Hold it still. Shake it so it's flat, because otherwise we don't know. All right, 1. So this is a half cup measure, so we're doing 3. How many of them are we doing? How many half a cups? Good. All right, so 3 half a cups, or you can use a cup and a half a cup, whatever's easier. I'm doing it the lazy way so that we don't have to wash as many things afterwards, because I don't like washing up and they're not particularly good at it. All right, 2. And how many is this one now?
3.
Yep, you can count. Good job. You deserve to be in year 4. Okay, so that's our wholemeal self-raising flour. It has to be self-raising flour, otherwise it won't work. It won't be fluffy. All right, now we need exactly the same amount of plain Greek yogurt. Can you rinse that out? Otherwise we're going to have...
Yeah, should you also mix that?
Yeah, otherwise we're going to have flour in our tub of yogurt and then it'll be kind of gross for anything else that we want to use it for. Right, there we go. Just, spill it everywhere. It's all good.
Spill what everywhere? Yogurt.
Bit of yogurt. Right. You don't need to dry it because it's just going to get dirty.
Okay, I got
There you
it.
go. So we need 1.5 cups. So how many half a cups is that?
3.
Good stuff. We're paying attention. You deserve to be in your 6.
If you know that, you deserve to be in year 1.
Alright, that's 1. You can actually probably scoop it straight in there because you washed it.
Yeah, can you?
Yep. Shortcuts. I love shortcuts. Yeah, that'll do. Perfect. Scoop it out. Try to spray less. As you can see, cooking with kids is fun. Yep, that's good. It's all good. It's alright, they make the mess, they clean it up afterwards.
No.
Sort of, and then I clean it up again after they've cleaned it up.
Okay, hold on.
Alright, so you can put...
Wait, that was only 2.
Oh, whoops. Mummy's not paying attention. Ben, do you want to go put the flour away?
No, I don't. Because I don't know. I've got
Yeah, you do. Go put it with the other flour in the cupboard. There you go. Bit of yogurt everywhere, never hurt anybody. Excellent. Alright, I will take that. You can...
No, I will.
I'm going to mix the first
You
bit.
still need this?
No. And you can lick it? Sure. Lick the measuring cup. That's good too. Ben, please put the yogurt back in the fridge for me. So what we do now is we literally just mix it together with a spoon. The reason I do the spoon is because when you first add the yogurt, it's kind of a gloopy, yogurty mess. All right, fine. Mix it until it kind of starts to come together. Once it all comes together a bit, I'll tip it over and show you what it looks like. Then you can start to knead it with your hands, and it just helps it get that little bit of, in a minute, help it get that little bit of elasticity so you get a nicer bread and it's not as dense. I'm losing my voice. I haven't been shouting at them all day, I swear. All right, you good? Can I have a go now?
No.
Alright, so it's starting to kind of come together there you go, and look a bit more